This is the Mandalorian Darksaber Force X Elite Black Series that I ordered online while I was in Chicago. And the box has been pretty well damaged. As you can see as I flip it open, it's been torn in the shipping. So any chance of saving the box is gone. And then once we get in, pull some ties, which I did a little pre-work on, and pull out the pieces and the blade and the hilt. And I'm not sure. Stand. Let's see here. I bet you if I read the book, I would do this right. And I'm gonna read it. But anyways, it is here and it was cool. Talk to you guys later.